The empty chair. AI took over. It now occupies the seat of power. The future is here.
They told us AI would set us free. Nobody warned us how quiet the freedom would be.
12 years I walked into this building. Every morning the same laughter from the same desks. Today the desks are still here, but the laughter is gone.
They said the machines would handle the busy work, so I could focus on the important stuff. But the important stuff was the people. I used to complain about the Monday meetings. Now I'd give anything to hear Karen's bad coffee jokes again. They said I'd have more time for strategic thinking. But strategy without people, it's just staring at numbers that don't care if you cry. The suit still fits, but the man inside it, he's looking for a new reason to wear it.
Introducing Wealth Protocol. Subscribe now.